As you guys notice, kind of wrapping this up. We're gonna get the hood pins in right now, and then that's basically the last of it. Radiator's in, intercooler piping's in, tube front end's done, all the mounts for that are done, cage is done. This thing is looking badass. So get the hood pins in, then get this thing rolling out. She done, boys. So we're getting down with the hood pins. We already got these all welded up, the things that I notched out yesterday. And then we ended up welding the nuts to it. I'll throw up a couple pictures. And then just got these aligned with each other on each side. And then we just always dab the hell out of it with paint marker. Me and Alec been doing this for years now. Dab the marker, and then boom, you get a perfect little mark out where we're gonna start drilling. So we'll drill a hole with probably a hole saw to get it started, and then go from there. Get these things slipped in there some way, somehow. We've done other video on this where you just kind of like cut out the actual shape and then put it in there. But we've seen people now, they like make a hole and then like slip it up in the hole and somehow make it work. So might try that, might not, don't know. There goes 800 bucks.
Hope you like that. A hole in your hood now. Fiberglass. Oh, moving the marks.
I was blowing all the fiberglass away from you. Everyone in the comments, wear a mask. Wear a mask, you're gonna die.
Alright, it's done. Where's the pins?
You grab those circle fucking overlays, we're done.
Basically, the gist of it.
Yeah, boy.
I can just turn them up actually a little more.
Probably. Get it where you want it, you know, nice and straight. Well, he's gonna hold the bottom one on there. I'm gonna grab that, put it there. It already looks like it's traced. I'll just probably take the cap off. Oh, that's ridiculous. Boom. So now we're gonna grab a hole saw. Boom, boom. And then cut it straight with a grinder. Cut off wheel.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's
It's on torque.
It's a hammer drill.
We're hammer drilling. Hey, hammer. Come drill this shit.
Mike Johnson.
What?
Michael Johnson.
Looks straighter than you.
Fucking hammer.
My name's Hammer.
That's Michael Johnson. Right?
Oh, yeah. Michael Johnson. Hammer.
Hammer time.
It's fucking hammer time, buddy.
So did we not want to go through the back then yet? Or are we going all the way? Since you wanted to try that slip thing.
Yeah, just go through the top. We'll be able to slip it through the top. That's what people do. I know that will probably go through, but what? Science. Alright, so we're so close to this little bump, we might have to just cut into this because the actual thing might not sit all the way in there. So we'll see.
Not even close. Bottom, which
Might just be
I think
that.
we're gonna have to cut it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to gut it. It's just hitting. Just right there. Like that little top probably. Rest of it might fit, maybe. See how right here. Bam guy. Do me a favor there.
Maybe you got some W40 or something?
Yeah, probably some of this shit. Well, as you guys may have noticed, the Camaro is on the trailer and it is heading home. We actually have Willie's Camaro in here. I'll be doing a cage in that, so stay tuned. And actually have my buddy Ben's Caprice in here, which I'm gonna be doing a turbo kit on. So you may have noticed some things are changing on the channel, the name, everything. You also may have noticed it's basically just been me kind of grinding out videos and work that I do. And of course, Austin and Alec have been in them, but felt like it was kind of a change, kind of end of an era for Hoodie Brothers and whatnot. Jackfab has been doing very well as a business and everything, and I just kind of wanted to relay that into videos because it's me. So if you guys like that or whatever, have comments on that, kind of let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Hate it, love it, don't have a clue, you're new here. It is what it is, and we're just gonna keep grinding, doing what we do. You might notice me posting a few other things on the channel, so if you guys see that and like it, throw it down in the comments and let me know if you dig it or if you hate it. So yeah, stay tuned for the Caprice turbo build, and stay tuned for this 3rd gen getting another chromoly cage. It won't be a full cage, it'll just be a half cage, so nothing crazy. And yeah, so you guys will be seeing Austin's car again. It's not the end. We have a few more things to do on his car. We gotta cut the teardrop tip, weld on some logo tags, a couple things we kind of forgot to do and kind of were waiting on because he's going to be changing up his fenders and doing a whole bunch of other stuff. So stay tuned for that. It's not the last you'll be seeing of the actual 3rd gen Camaro Slutty LSX. So yeah, stay tuned. You'll see more of that. And yeah, I've just been grinding out work and trying to stay busy and trying to do what I do best. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for tuning in and watching my dumbass ramble on camera, I guess. So subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you in the next. Peace.